There are so many ways to enter into reflection on the creativity of the universe. Each pathway offers its own unique possibilities. What I'd like to reflect on with you now is universe creativity as resonance. What about this? The idea of resonance as a source of creativity. The guide I want to use for this discussion is a little frog that lives in Borneo, lives in a tree, in the hole in a tree, and he's called the tree hole frog. Makes perfect sense. But what is wonderful about this little frog is that inside his little hole, the male frog will croak out a note, a mating call. And because his voice is in resonance with the whole tree, it fills the entire forest, note after note. And the interested females, note it and start to converge towards the tree. So in the middle of this, some inquisitive scientists ran an experiment. It almost seems cruel. But they sneaked up on the hole and they poured some water in. So now the level of the water was higher in the hole. And then when the frog would croak out its song, it didn't resonate because the cavity was a different size. And so the sound just died right there at the tree. The male frog did not give up. It altered its voice, went up a little higher, went up a little lower, adjusted this way, that way, and it found resonance again after this trial and error process. And then once again, its voice, its call was filling the forest. So I think this can be an inspiration for us with our own creative projects. First of all, it's a good image for what we're aiming at. We're aiming at giving birth to a work of beauty that is in resonance with the larger community, especially for the humans that this work might help. So in our creative process, rather than think about it as coming from an individual, think of it as an ongoing iterative process where we try out our work with our friends and colleagues, and we watch and see their response. And we make adjustments, sometimes just minor adjustments, are all it takes to find that resonance so that our work can fill the world.